And good morning everybody. Day 34 of my pilgrimage. As we're setting off on the last day, this is a day that the pilgrims all look forward to and dread all in the same moment. It's a little bit hard and surreal. We never want to finish our pilgrimage, and I guess it doesn't actually finish when we get to Santiago. What they say by it's only just begun is what it is, so if it makes any sense. It's really hard to make any sense. You've got to do it yourself to get sense out of it, because I think everybody is different to everybody else. And I'm just looking up at the Camino skies up there. No, it's going to fall on my face. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Up there, the Camino skies with the sky trails, jet streams, is absolutely beautiful. Something we don't get down under is the jet streams. Well, we don't get them very often. So yeah, it's a wonderful place, a special place. So 10 k's left to go, and then we're there, and it's all over for another Camino. Okay, buen Camino. So at the moment we're up at Monte de Gozo, and this is the first place where you can actually see Santiago and the cathedral. And oops. Absolutely beautiful spot. And so pan around. There's the cathedral in the west. So I don't know whether you can see it there, but there it is. That's where we're going. We're nearly there. 34 days on the road, hiking, and we're there.
Don't forget, you gotta let
So one of the things that can be quite worrisome when you're walking into Santiago is the fact that for the last 3 to 4 kilometres you can't actually see the cathedral. You lose sight of it from the base of Monte de Gozo. But you've just got to follow your instincts and follow the yellow arrows and the scallop shells that are on the ground, and you will find it. And sometimes the route may change a little bit, and if you've done it more than once on the front days, then you'll find that things do look a little bit different. Your memory might change things, or the route might change itself. So just keep on following the little yellow arrows. That's all you need to do. Simple, isn't it? A little bit promising. That's looking very promising. Yeah, we can. There it is. On cue, just as we came in. Dan would be saying other things. Oops, yeah.
I was worried they might slide out.
No, it's okay. I can come back. Parador's getting a facelift. Here we go. I can't see them. Oh yeah.
There's always always one building being renovated.
Always.
You're going to give me a kiss first.
Done it. There's my two amigas, the Camely. Hey. Hello. You made it. Hey.
You made it, mate.
What number
We
is
made
it?
it. Number 4.
Well
Qui allora il QR code.
Did you want the